Repeat. Say or do something again. Please don't repeat what I've just told you to anyone else. Compare. To examine or look for the difference between two or more things. That seems expensive. Have you compared prices in other shops? Description. Words that tell what somebody or something is like or what happened. She has given the police a very detailed description of the robber. Make something up. To invent something, such as an excuse or a story. My dad was always really good at making up stories. Instruction. Words that tell you what you must do or how to do something. The cooking instructions say to bake it for half an hour. Context. The words that come before or after another word or sentence. In this exercise, a word is blanked out and you have to guess what it is by looking at the context. Essay. A short piece of writing on a particular subject, especially one done by students as part of the work for a course. His essay was full of spelling errors. Revise. To change or correct something. With the final exam, you don't revise it after the teacher reads it. Conversation. A talk between two or more people. She fell into a conversation with a man at the bar. Discussion. Talking about something seriously. This discussion has raised many important issues.